So question 1 on your summer test was algebra substitution. Now you were told in advance that this was calculator use, and when you see a letter you replace it with a bracket. So we have 2a plus b, but instead of a and b we have brackets, and then into the brackets we put what each letter is. A is 2 and b is -1, and you just type equals on your calculator and your calculator does all the work for you. Some of you didn't do this and made mistakes. So your calculator will give you the answer of 3, and the reason is it's going to be 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. But anytime you see substitution, it's calculator use. If you refuse to use your calculator and make mistakes, you really only have yourselves to blame. 4ab, 4 bracket bracket, this is what you should do in your calculator. Set up the brackets, double check the values. A is 2 and b is -1. 2 minus 1. Your calculator will give you an answer of -5 here, so you just write equals -5. The examiner corrects it and moves on. The reason is 4 by 2 by -1 is 4 by 2 is 8, by 1 is 8, and we have a minus sign in there, just one of them, so it's -8 plus 3, which is again -5. For part 3, these questions really are setting you up to give you marks. 2 bracket a squared minus 3 bracket b cubed. So put your squared and your cubed in. If you don't practice in class, you'll get to the exam and not know how to do it. And then put your -1 into the second bracket for your a and b. Just double check we have a and b in that order. Now what your calculator will give you here is 11 as an answer. Let's have a look why. We have 2 by 2 squared is 2 by 4, which will give 8. And we have -3 by -1 cubed, which is a minus by a minus by minus, 3 minuses, -1, and then that will eventually give 8 plus 3, which is 11. Again, calculator use. Now the letters are reversed just to confuse you here. B squared, so something squared, minus twice something cubed. The reason you have calculators is to do these questions. B is -1 and a is 2. So just fill your values in, press equals on the calculator. What answer will the calculator give? It gives -15. Let's see why. -1 squared is +1, and -2 by 2 cubed. 2 cubed is 2 by 2 by 2, which is 8. So we have +1 -16 is the -15 that the calculator gave you. But about half of you lost marks in this question due to incorrect calculator use.